Alright guys, so for this video lesson, we're going to learn more about Photoshop, and we're going to learn what threshold and blending techniques can do. So we're going to go ahead and make an example photo just like this one here. So let's get started. So the first thing I want you to do is you can download your portfolio here, go File, make a copy, and then you'll be able to enter all of your artwork here and submit it to me. Once you do that, I want you to go and you're going to download your student photos. You're going to do 6 of them today, so again, you can do you the entire time, or you can do other students. So again, I'm just going to go ahead and click Josh. You need to go ahead and select your picture, hit download. Again, once it's done downloading, just drag it and drop that right into Photoshop. Alright, there we go. So the first thing I want you to do is we're going to come and we are going to use the crop tool. So here it is. And we are just want to take basically the face, and that looks pretty good. So once you're done, hit that check mark, and that looks pretty good. Okay, so the next thing I want you to do is we're going to come up to where it says Filter at the top of the screen. Go ahead and click it, and we're going to go to Adjustments, and then we're going to come down to where it says Threshold, and we're going to go ahead and adjust this level here. So his face is really dark, so we want to make sure that we kind of see him here a little bit. So again, that looks pretty good right around there. Okay, so once we're done there, we're going to go ahead and hit OK, and it looks pretty good. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is we need some sort of background to blend these two images in. So what I want you to do is you're going to open up a new tab, and you can just go to Google Images and just go ahead and search HD weather backgrounds. And a whole bunch will pop up, and again, depending on what you want as your background, it is up to you. So I'm simply for this lesson going to pick a random one here. This one looks good. Again, please make sure it is HD. So go ahead and right click on it, save image as. I'm just going to hit save. And again, once it's done, you are going to drag it and drop it into Photoshop, and that looks pretty good. Again, it's going to open up in a new window. So this is your new one, and then this is the old one, okay? So again, you can click up here at the top to go right back and forth, all right? So what I want you to do is, now we need to take this photo, so I want you to hit Control A, which that selects everything on the screen. Then you're going to hit Control C, which copies your work. And let's go back to our picture of our weather, and you're going to hit Control V to paste, okay? So now we need to blend these two pictures together, okay? So let's try and get rid of that white. So what I want you to do next is we're going to come up to where it says normal up here, and we are going to go ahead and pick multiply. And what that does is it's going to start blending these in, okay? So his face doesn't really fit there, so you can actually just use the move tool here, and then let's just go ahead and resize him here. And that looks pretty good. And you can kind of put it wherever you want. So depending on what the background picture is, if you want a certain section, just go ahead and move it to wherever it is that you want on the screen. But that looks pretty good for me. I'm going to go ahead and hit that check mark, and it looks pretty good. So now we've learned how to blend two different images together in order to create a new one. And if you want to go ahead and crop that image again, so I'm going to go and hit this crop tool, and I kind of just want, again, just more of his face. And so that looks pretty good right around there, and I'm going to go ahead and hit that check mark. And there you go. There is our first image. Again, you're going to continue to do this with different backgrounds and blending techniques. So once you are done, just go and hit File, and you're going to go ahead and hit Save As. And again, you need to save the format as a JPEG, okay? So once you save it, you're going to hit OK. And then again, take that picture, and you are going to upload it into your portfolio here that you already created, okay? So again, you have 6 to do total. And again, just drag them, drop them on each slide. And again, they can be either of you or they can be of your classmates. All right, guys, there you go. Have some fun.